What if I told you I found a way to build a home with zero exposure to the weather, zero rain delays, and not the first warped or stolen 2x4?
Too good to be true? Well, get ready for this. It's very true, and it happens right here.
Let's see how it's done. We're going to take a tour.
Here, Affinity checks all their lumber for moisture content to assure everything is dry from the get-go. Then it stays inside and never gets rained on. That's right, never gets rained on. Never. Every dimension is precisely cut and walls are made perfectly flat.
On site, all I need to do is be sure I install my foundation square and plumb.
Because this floor system sure is.
Now check this out. Affinity glues their components together and you can't pull them apart. And they seal around all openings and registers.
There's absolutely no air coming around this duct into the attic. Well, that's a brief tour of the factory.
So now let's go take a tour of these beautiful homes.
Houses out here in watercolors are stick framed, and you compare the structural aspects of those houses to the nature of the way this place was put together, and it's exactly the same.
We've had many friends and visitors through the house the past couple of years, and when we talk about modular home to them, they can't believe that it was a modular home.
The beaded board on the walls, the special flooring, the granite countertops in the kitchen, all these things are options that you have to go on top of the basic floor plans.
It's put together on site just like it would be stick built, as far as fastened and tied down, 2x6 exterior wall construction, the joists and everything. It's a sound project.
As a homeowner myself, I've learned that as compared to conventional construction, modular construction is the same process. There's no deviation in value when getting mortgaging or financing. And I have a 30-year fixed rate mortgage and went through the same process.
We had the window guy come in here to measure for wooden blinds. And after measuring 2 windows, he came to me and says, "Mark, I don't need to measure anymore. They're exact." So, and I've never seen that ever happen before.
The interior of this house has never seen rain, where stick-built construction is open to the weather constantly for many, many months, where this is built in a factory setting and then brought here, and by 10 o'clock the evening that the modules arrived, the roof was dried in.
The house was brought into the property on a Tuesday. The cranes came in on Wednesday, and by Friday the house was totally put up and weatherproofed. Within 4 weeks, we were actually able to have somebody stay at the house and stuff. The house was totally completed, and the whole works. Everything was done. Within 4 weeks, we had somebody living in the house. It was absolutely amazing. I was shocked.
Now they're dealing with a construction site for a period 3 to 4 months at the most. As compared to a stick-built house, we'd be out here 12 to 14 months.
Faster time in the field, solid construction, airtight construction, 140-mile-an-hour wind certification, all of the above, we would absolutely do another modular home.
It was easy as can be. I mean, it was just, this is what we want, here's what you got. It was perfect.
We've been very proud to show the home and bring people in, and we're very, very proud of the way it came out.